श्री एम सम्मुगम।
ठीक था।
4 minutes सर।
कम में बढ़िया।
Thank you very much, sir. This Code on Wages bill. First of all, I oppose this bill. The way in which the bill produced before this House, all the 44 laws, we are the owner of the labor laws, because as a trade union leader, I am proud to say, we only enact all those laws. We struggled, and our elder leaders, and the bloodshed only, the laws have been enacted. I accepted. There are 44 laws. While we implement the laws, there is a complication. Nowadays, the employers are very intelligent than the trade union leaders. They are exploiting. They are quoting this law and that law, that's what. So that we all, the trade union itself, we are joined together. We have to simplify and unify the laws. Sir, in the labor department, in any other department, you can bring any law with your bureaucrat advice or any of the political. But this is a labor department. There is a standing labor committee. That standing labor committee consists of tripartite. And subsequently, there is an Indian Labour Conference. Whatever we have discussed in the standing labor committee, that will be placed before the Indian Labour Conference. Then that will be accepted, that will be made a law for the workmen. I asked the Labour Minister, last 5 years, have you called the 12 trade unions, your own trade union, BMS, including that BMS, have a call for the discussion? We request the Labour Department, verbatim, word by word, how to unify, how to review the laws that we know, because we are the owner of the law, we have enacted everything, so that we are ready to give the advice. But you refuse. All of a sudden, the Code on Wages, Code on Industrial Relation Bill, Code on Safety and Health, Code on Social Securities, the department has already, they have binded the laws and they produced before the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and it went to the select committee. I have also get a message from the Standing Labour Committee in 2017. It is very great abuse. We are the 12 trade unions recognized by the Government of India, having of the 2 crore laborers in our all the trade unions. We are not honored. At least after we want to minimize, we want to simplify the laws. We are ready to give the advice to the laws. Sir, I am from Tamil Nadu. Labor is a concurrent subject. With the unity of the all trade union leader, we pressurized the political governments. We enacted so many laws. We are the pioneer of the labor legislation in India. We enacted the Labour Welfare Act in 1981, enacted the Manual Workers Act in 1981. The Manual Worker is the main act by which we are forming all the unorganized board for the poor peoples. And then Subsistence Allowance Act, nowhere in India, Subsistence Allowance Act. And we have inserted section 2A, 17B and 10B in the ID Act 1947. These are all we have to do it. But it is very great shame for us that you are not consulted with us and then you bring the law. By this law, many of the friends, what are those confusions in the law? I want to mention only one, the workman definition.
Please conclude now, Shanmugam.
This is a very important one. The workman definition, this is a unique definition, but you have given worker definition and employees definition. Why you are divide the labor? Your divide may be in your policy, but that should not be in the law. So, these are the things, there are so many things in the law have to be consulted with the trade union, then only it should be come for the approval of this house.
Please conclude
so that
now.
I oppose the
It's already
law.
2 minutes
Thank
more.
you very
Thank
much.
you.